On this particular project, we'll be running 2 full-time Munger employees, 4 temp agency gentlemen. We'll have 6 people manned on this job at all times. There's 10,000 ACE clamps being put down on the roof and 1,400 rails putting on top of that. There's also 8,000 L brackets being mounted to this product. The 17 years that we've been with Munger, we've been doing roofing on and off with different projects. We've been working with AceClamps for the last 7 years. We started out doing an ice bar system with AceClamps, and we've progressed into the solar industry with them. The first project that I had, I personally sat on a bucket putting screws in the side of another product that took me 2 weeks. I averaged about $1,200 a week for a man hour, $2,400 in savings in 2 weeks putting this product down opposed to the other one. The quality of AceClamps is superb to the other clamps that we've used in the industry. I didn't have to put screws together in the side of the clamp. It was a one-piece clamp, easy for install. Hands down, AceClamp is a lot better. There's less hands-on. You take it out of the box, you put it down, bolt it with your torque limiter, you walk away from it. So time saving, AceClamp saves you about 50% of your labor. So the ease and quickness that we can put this product down is time saving, money at the end of the project.